All right, hey everybody, welcome back. This time what we're going to do is I'm going to mention some YouTube channels to you where you can get some rock solid advice and information on the trucks you're buying as far as motors, testing, reliability, where to go if you're having a problem, some of this kind of stuff that's legit real sources rather than the BS you see on the internet, on the forums, random people that think they know something that don't. These are trusted channels that have the information that you're looking for. They probably already have a video on it. They can explain things for you very well. Or if you're getting ready to buy a new vehicle, these are places that you can go and see what kind of the troubles they're having. Some of that kind of stuff. I like these channels a lot. First one here we got on here, Giddy's Adventure. Okay, he's a diesel mechanic. He does a fantastic job. He covers a lot of stuff in here. If you look at his videos on here, he does a lot of testing for all things. He's a Ram. He's a heavy-duty diesel mechanic. He owns Rams, but like I said, he covers a lot of them. He breaks everything down. He does an excellent job. It's unbiased. It's real world. It's straightforward, and he covers a lot of things, does a lot of great towing videos for you, as you see here, comparing motors against each other, and it's just done right by somebody who really knows what he's doing, and he has no skin in the game to tell you one way or the other. He's not being paid by anybody to do this stuff for you. It's not, he's not worried about going to, being invited to events and getting vehicles for testing. He doesn't care. It's all straightforward, legit, as it's going to be, and we like that a lot. Okay, so Giddy Adventures is a one, something you should be subscribed to, in my opinion. But if you're in the automotive industry, or you like trucks, you're an enthusiast, he does an incredible job. His channel is just phenomenal. I can't say enough good things about it, but you will learn a lot of great information in this, and it's legit answers to your questions. Another one, a new channel, Truck Stuff. Now, with this, too, I should also say JB Reviews, because JB is the one that kind of got this guy started, but I really like him. His channel's pretty new. He's a Ram mechanic, but I'll tell you what, he knows his stuff, and he tells you as he's doing it. So he will answer your questions very well in here for it. He shows you what's going on. He gives you true, real points and meanings. There's JB Review right there, JB with him right there. But like I said, JB hooked this. You can tell by the format and how this is. Kind of helped him get this channel started, but this channel is phenomenal. If you own a Ram, this is a channel that you should be following and paying attention to, because he's going to keep you in the loop on everything, update you on everything, letting you know the truth about new vehicles that are out with Ram, what kind of issues they can have, what things should be done. He's very good at it. So this Truck Stuff is an incredible channel. Can't say enough good things about it. It's brand new. I like where it's going. I like this guy. I like his attitude. I like that he's just straight up honest. Again, there's no fluff in this. He'll call it out, good, bad, indifferent. He says what it is, and like I said, he does this every day for a living. So very impressive channel right here if you're a Ram guy. If you're a Toyota guy, and even if you're not, okay, the Car Nut's amazing. Okay, you can see he's been around for a long time. It's what he does for a living. Fantastic channel, and covers a lot of different things and a lot of different vehicles. He's mainly a Toyota guy, Toyota and Lexus, but he does cover a lot of different ones in there, and he knows his stuff, and he points out things, and he does a lot. Okay, watch, like here, watch this before you buy an 80 series Land Cruiser. He covers everything. The Toyota new turbo V8 mechanical deep dive, the good and the bad news. He covers everything for you. His channel is phenomenal, and he's got how many videos? He's got 600 videos on here, everything being related to making your life better and understanding, what problems could happen. You can see right here, the truth about the, right here about these engines, the common Toyota roof problem. Everything is teaching you stuff on there. Don't do this. This is a $2,500 candy mistake. Shop update. Toyota owners, don't do this. Like I said, he covers everything. Never do this. It's just, he's got it all. Should you worry about the smoke coming out of your tailpipe? He just knows and explains everything, so you will learn a tremendous amount on this channel. I cannot say enough good things about it. And again, it's a guy that's going to steer you right, set you right, and it's no fluff, no BS, no behind the scenes, money, no nothing like that, just straight up information you are looking for. Dave's Auto Center is another one. I recently started watching this one. I've been through quite a few of his videos, but these guys, they cover a lot of vehicles and they cover a lot of how-to stuff and they break it all down for you. What happened here, how this went down, you know, this won't start, what could we do? 4 miles and this one died, let's tear it down and see what happened to it. No oil here, what a nightmare. Like I said, is this motor junk? Okay, again, stuff that is going to help you make your decisions, and they cover a lot of different brands in here, a lot of different vehicles, so there's a lot of information in this. I really like his channel, does an excellent job. Scotty, we know Scotty, everybody knows Scotty, okay, Scotty Kilmer, everybody knows him. Look at 7,000 or 7 million subscribers, 7,000 videos. He does a good job. He can be a little all over the place, and we're okay with that, but his information, especially if you own older vehicles, which he happens to absolutely love, but if you own older vehicles, he is your go-to. And it's not just, you can't really find some of the great information by just looking at his thumbnails or trying to see what it is, because in every single video he answers questions from viewers and he talks about different situations, and you kind of got to hunt and fish a lot in here to find the information you're looking for something specifically. But like I said, if you own a vehicle that's 10 years old, this is your channel here. 10 years old or older, this guy is your ace in a hole for making it run right and all the little details on it and how to make things. He just does a fantastic job. And he's got a lot of different options. And he also has in here too, you can come over here, playlist. He's got a lot of playlist options on here that are going to help you sort things down, like car life hacks, how cars work if you want, missed, busted. I mean, he breaks down some pretty good playlists in here for you that are going to help you out too. But Scotty does an excellent job, you know, on his you know, his skill set is obviously there. And like I said, he's not paid by anybody. He's not behind the scenes stuff. He's not getting these throwbacks and kickbacks and things like that to do this. And like I said, most of what he's talking about or interested in is older cars, is what he likes. When they were built right and built well. And when I say older, I mean 10 to 20 years ago. And there's a lot of people driving those. And if you have one or you're looking for one, this guy's got it for you. There's so much information in his channel that is fantastic, and it is legit good quality information. Another one, I Do Cars. Simple, nothing crazy, great channel. Only 368 videos, that's not a ton by any means, but really deep dives when he gets into these. So, and you can see he covers a lot of them. A lot of import stuff too, but he covers a lot of engine teardowns where you literally see the whole entire motor pulled apart after so many miles. Here's a 5.7 Toyota Tundra. Failed at, what did it say? Let's just click on it and see what it says here. The title, failed after 287 miles, and it doesn't make sense. So look at this behind him. So he's going to rip this whole entire thing apart, take it down for you. He's going to pull the whole thing apart, show you exactly what's going on, why. Like I said, there's a lot of very valuable information in his channel if you're learning about this kind of stuff, or you want to understand what does happen, why it happens. He's got a ton of it here for you. So these are some great channels that if you're looking for this kind of stuff, these are ones that I vouch for, that I say are proven, and I enjoy watching them, and I don't think there's any BS behind the scenes. No padded pockets, no way to steer you wrong, just good, wholesome, legit, general information by guys that are doing a great job. So something you should be considering, whether you're doing research for a new one, you want to learn more, or you just like to stay up to date on this kind of stuff. These channels, what do we got there? We got Getty's is 1, Truck Stuff is 2, Car Care is 3, Dave's is 4, Scotty's 5, 6 is I Do Car. So we got 6 channels right here that put out a ton of content and do a fantastic job that are highly worth watching, and I recommend them tremendously. So especially, like I said, if you're looking for what kind of issues happen or how things come about. So questions, comments, put them down below. Thanks for watching.